we're doing a day in the life. We've got some breakfast on, haven't we? You want cheese on toast? Cheese on toast? We've got some cheese on toast, and then my kitchen is a bit of a state, so I need to clean that. But yeah, we're bringing you along on our day today, so hopefully you enjoy watching. But for now, let's get the cheese on toast. Cheese on toast is ready! Are you going to sit on the sofa? Yeah? Do you want a blanket? Okay. Are you all set? Yeah? So you're all set there eating some toast. And she's got some shimmer and shine on the background. But this is my kitchen. Yeah, so I'm letting it get out of hand again. It's our anniversary yesterday, so we had some takeout. We had some Pizza Hut, so we got some boxes and stuff to get rid of, and all this recycling and all this washing up. So yes, I'm going to do that first while Rose is entertained and eating her breakfast. And then I've also got some laundry over here that I need to pack away as well. So that's the laundry done. I've done the washing up. This is all clear now. I need to put this in the downstairs bathroom. And Rose didn't eat her second lot of toast, but never mind. Let's put this in the downstairs bathroom. Right, so this just needs to go around here. That's better. And then we've got Rose's potty sitting there. Cleaned that the other day, so that's nice and clean now in there, so it's nice and fresh. And I just cleaned the mat because it hadn't been washed in a while, so definitely needed it. So yeah, that's that done as well. Right, so next I just need to take all this recycling out, so I'm going to put my shoes on quickly and get that outside in the bin. Just looked out at the back of our garden and I've just seen that one of our fence posts has fallen down. So yeah, do excuse my completely messy back door. The window needs cleaning, but look, it's completely fallen down. So I need to go out there and see if I can pull it back up, because it looks like it's actually snapped, until Daddy can get out there and fix it. Is currently working at the minute, so yeah, great fun. temporarily fixed it by putting this round the tree and the fence post, but for now at least it's sorted. I had to, oh no, apparently not, the winds just blew it back out again. Oh gosh, we're gonna need to get some screws and stuff for it because we haven't got any, so I'm gonna nip to the shop now. The joys of being a homeowner. So now I'm going to get this little one out of the garden and get her in the car so we can nip to the shop and get some additional screws and stuff to try and fix it, and yeah, we'll hopefully repair it so we don't have to buy a brand new fence, but we shall see. So let's get ready to go out. So we're in the car. I bribed this one with biscuits because it was better than having a tantrum, because I need to get going. I've got to go B&Q, I think, and I also need to do a supermarket as well. So let's see how quickly we can get this done. You ready? Ready. So I just went into the supermarket, got some Mother's Day flowers, and then these really cute candles. I love you very much, Winnie the Pooh one. And then also a Bambi one, which says love you dearly. I thought they were really cute for Mother's Day. They didn't have any sort of screws or raw plugs in this shop. So we're gonna go into B&Q now and see if we can get some from there. So we didn't get to B&Q because my car is making all sorts of noises and I couldn't turn it off when I got into the car park. So yeah, I've just got the bonnet up and I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with it with my brother, who thankfully is a mechanic. But yeah, it stopped beeping now, so I'm not sure if it's still doing it or... Yes, everything's going wrong today that physically could go wrong. It's insane. Okay, so I'm in the house now. I don't know what's going on with the car. It's all over the place. It's now stopped beeping. It's now not making any noise. I'm now able to turn the engine off, because at one point I couldn't even turn the engine off. So I'm not sure what's going on, but thankfully my brother's a mechanic, so he's going to come down at some point to have a look at the car. But we're in. Rose is just watching some telly because bless her, she didn't know what was going on. Thankfully we didn't get stranded because obviously we were at B&Q. I just parked up and then I got inside parking space, turned the engine off. The whole car went frantic. It was beeping at me, flashing at me, the wipers were going. I was like, what the hell? So I turned it back on and it all stopped and it just started as a normal car starts. So I was like, okay, that's weird. Turned it back off because, you know, sometimes it helps turning something on and off again. And then it wouldn't turn off. So I was just stuck in the B&Q car park, not knowing what to do. So, yeah, my brother said drive home if you can, so then you're not stranded. Thankfully, we got home okay. You know, the car got us back. Driving-wise, the car is fine. It's just like when you turn it off, there seems to be a problem, or if you can turn it off, because like I said, I couldn't turn it off at one point. But I've now managed, I've drove home, I've managed to turn it off. I'm not sure what's different, but it's now off. It's now not making any noises after about half an hour of it sitting there. So, honestly don't know, but I bought some beautiful flowers, as I showed you in the car for Mother's Day, and I've got these really cute candles. I'll show you that side. So this one here, Winnie the Pooh one, which is really cute, and then I also got this one as well, which is like a Bambi one as well. So that was like nice. We're big Disney fans. Both our mums are big Disney fans as well. So yeah, I'm gonna make Rose some lunch while she has some TV time, because it's just one of those days today. The fence has gone wrong, the car's gone wrong. They say it comes in threes, and I think I'm gonna hibernate for the rest of the day because, God blimey, it's been one hell of a day already, and it's just 5 to 12. So yes, it's 11:55. We're not even got to the afternoon yet. So I'm gonna crack on with some lunch. I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea, and I'll come back to you shortly. Rose has decided she wants to bring all her teddies downstairs, so we are currently getting them at the top here and then checking them down the stairs. Here she comes. Hey, gorgeous. Woo! Is there any more?
Yeah.
Is there? Oh, wow, there's so many teddies. You be careful now. Good girl. That's it, nice and slow. It's okay, I'll get him. You get some more. Do you want to do him again? Whee! There he is. So yes, Rose has decided she wants all her teddies downstairs. So we're bringing them down. We're going to make a little den or something with all of the teddies. She has enough. God blimey. here. A place where she can sit. We've got pillows everywhere, and then we've cushioned the coffee table, and now we're going to bring all the teddies in and make one big pile. It's going to be really good. Should keep her occupied for at least a little while. I'm going to make myself another cup of tea. There's a monster?
There's monster cave.
Where's the monster?
They're making toys.
In the toys, there's a monster?
Yeah.
Really? Is he big?
Yeah.
And what colour is he?
Blue.
It's a blue big monster.
Yeah.
Are we going to go find him? This way. What? This way? Okay. Doom, 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 doom. Are you a monster?
Raw.
You say, we're in the den. And there's a monster outside.
Awesome.
Is there a monster?
A monster was like.
Really? A big blue monster?
No, yellow monster.
Oh, it's yellow now. Oh, big yellow monster. Better stay quiet. Shh. So we've just done a little bit of playing. This morning was one hell of a morning. I think we fixed the fence, at least temporarily. Daddy looked at that while he was on lunch. And the car, well, I'm still unsure what's going on with the car. But we, yeah, we'll get you snack in a minute. Yes. I'm just going to get Rose a snack now, and she's going to have some quiet time. So I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed watching. Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed coming on our disaster of a day. And yeah, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
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 See ya.
See you soon.